everyone. So, this is going to be a series for me actually to stay more accountable with my working out habits because I went to Bangladesh like in April, and since then I have kind of lost my track, haven't been working out, haven't been keeping track that much of my food habits. So, the whole point of this series is going to be getting back to that habit, and I wanted to share this journey with you, and I hope you guys enjoy. For today, I started my working out with Chloe Ting's warm up session. I like to start my this kind of habit tracking situation with Chloe Ting because she has really good workouts in my opinion, great schedules online. They're all free. You can go ahead and check it out. A lot of people have had benefited from it, so I just trust her and trust her process. So generally, I like to do her workout sessions. But being said that, I would not say it's fun. It's not fun. It's exhausting. It just kills me, especially the cardio sessions are so freaking hard, but you gotta do what you gotta do. There are certain things that in life you have to introduce without really thinking too much because the days I think too much, I ended up never doing those stuff. And I have also realized that the days I work out, I'm so much more productive, fresh, and healthy throughout the day. Anyways, this was my workout for today. I hope to see you guys tomorrow.